First day on holidays, so of course I'm up before the sun. We're all heading out for a drone meetup, so this should be cool. So I'll keep you all posted. McMaster's Beach, New South Wales. So join me, first day of 2 weeks holiday. Woohoo! So jam-packed day of drone flying today. A treat for myself for my 2 weeks off holiday. Then it's home, strip the house down, compress it all into the garage because I'm selling the 5-bedroom house and looking for a block of land and hopefully sell it real quick and then convert a school bus. So stay tuned for that one. Bit of off-grid living. Alright, and fly drones, hell of a lot. Woohoo! Ciao. Check out this, the Rip Bridge. This is where I live. This bridge is also known as the Singing Bridge. So in big windstorms it hums and vibrates and makes all these whistling noises. Pretty cool.